If you have a smartphone and want to use it to make money, this video is for you. You won't need to take out any cash advances in today's video because the technique is completely cost-free. All you need to do to get started is download the 3 applications we'll show you in today's video. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Now, the name of our first website is this, which is currently displayed on your displays. Don't worry though, I'll teach you in a moment how to access this page by using the URL that I'll disclose later. Here's what you'll find on their website: a better user testing tool without requirement for a subscription or monthly cost. Get more accurate insights from our team of top-notch testers. No registration is required. A test of new monthly costs of $60 per user. Over 500 firms trust this website, some of which are very large and well-known in the sector, as you can see when you scroll down a little. Over 500 satisfied clients utilize UserFeel to create better websites and apps, and they have over 148,000 qualified testers working for them globally. They also demonstrated how UserFeel contrasted to other well-known user testing tools, such as the lack of a monthly charge in contrast to other apps. The price of subscription plans and many other things will be displayed. So the question, why do user testing? Why are individuals paid to test goods? The reason for this is that it enables you to identify the needs, wants, and frustrations of your users. Knowing this makes it easier to come up with high-impact ideas for enhancing the usability, conversion, and profitability of your website. It aids in the discovery of issues that you were unaware existed on mobile and desktop in various browser types. Fixing 3 errors as soon as possible will increase conversion and decrease exit. Go to the bottom of the page and hit Be Paid to Test under the tester part, as we are not customers, but rather someone who wants to use their phone to get money. So let's click this to go to the Become a Tester website. As you can see, this is available globally. So wherever you are from, don't worry, since this is also for you. Now kindly fill out all this information right here, including your first name, last name, email address, and then confirm it with your nation. Your birth year, password, and confirmation follow, and so forth. You may read all of their frequently asked questions about signing up to be a tester on this website by clicking on this. Earn $10 each test by working as a tester. You may take the test on your home computer or smartphone, and they each take 10 to 20 minutes to complete. To learn what our customer wants from a tester, read the guidelines below and watch the example films. What should usability testers now do? They test websites for usability. It is their responsibility to create scenarios and carry out certain tasks, such as finding a product in an online store and completing the checkout procedure. This enables website owners to identify and address usability problems. Do testers have to make purchases from the websites they review for goods or services? No. Although you might be requested to complete an online store's checkout procedure, most of the time the scenario will ask you to pause before pressing the final submit button. In any event, when doing a test, you shouldn't enter your actual credit card information. Okay, over here, what tools do I need to work as a tester so that I can evaluate websites and be paid $10 every test? You must have a computer that runs Windows or Mac. If using Windows, your operating system must be Windows 7 or newer. Additionally, your computer must have a microphone, which might be internal like those found in most laptops, or external. Even the cheapest microphone, which costs roughly $2, will function if you need to purchase an additional microphone. Should I take an exam using my real name and address? No. When administering a test, you should make up details. And what language should I use? You must converse in the test language. You'll receive work in your mother tongue and occasionally in other language that you have designated in your profile as frequently spoken. Therefore, you shouldn't ever be required to talk in a language that you don't know well. What is the requirement test, and why must I take it? The qualification test is the first test that every new tester must do in order to confirm that they are equipped with a microphone and can speak clearly while carrying out the tasks. The initial rating that determines whether and how frequently testers will be invited to paid usability tests is given based on their performance on this qualification test. The qualification test is free, and before we move on to the second website, you may find it at userfeel.com. Check out our website right away and follow our advice for how to make money online. Visit honeygain.com for the second website, which is Honeygain. Passive income with ease. Simply sharing your internet might earn you money with Honeygain. Start earning now with a simple passive income strategy. Start making money with Honeygain and use it to pay for your membership to its streaming platform. Unlock premium features on free video games, or simply reward yourself with a quick online shopping trip. Earn money without jeopardizing safety. Honeygain makes sure that only reputable companies are using your internet traffic and the app never requests or obtain access to your device's storage. Know exactly how and why you use the internet. Once you begin using Honeygain, your device will start acting like the View Towers and will assist well-known companies in accessing the internet without having to worry about geo restrictions or censorship. This is how this website or app functions. Prepare it. Any Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or Android device can be made to run Honeygain. Run Honeygain if your internet connection is ready. As soon as it's turned on, Honeygain securely distributes your internet connection while never obtaining access to your personal information. Let it amass. Honeygain makes use of your internet connection and data that is readily accessible online. Aiding businesses, reputable businesses uses this data for pricing comparison, web statistics, and other validated business processes. Earn money. User having the option of receiving rewards in either PayPal or Bitcoin for all the traffic they provide. To sign up right away and receive a complimentary $5 welcome bonus, click here. Awesome, no? Okay, visit moneyapp.org to see what our final app should look like. You can get paid on this app by responding to straightforward offers. You don't need to worry if you use iOS because this is available on both Android and iOS, so you can bring this app with you. You may now download the Money app, Cash and Rewards app. 12 Plus app from the App Store by clicking on this tab if you use an Android device or this tab if you use an iOS device. Spend money on little jobs, the finest rewards app overall. Earn money for completing activities, providing feedback, inspecting stores and displays, acting as a mystery shopper, and trying out services. To ensure that you never run out of ways to get money, new jobs are frequently added. You can do it whenever you want, and you can invest whatever much or little time you desire. The objectives are simple, and best of all, it's a quick and enjoyable way to earn a few extra dollars. Without gift cards or discounts, Money app pays quickly. Cash is deposited directly into your PayPal account. So how does it function? First, finish projects to earn credit incentives. Get paid in 2 to 3 working days. Redeem your credits for cash via PayPal. And number 2, they have the best rating of 4.9 out of 5. And you can read all the good reviews about this program here to demonstrate that it is unquestionably legitimate and paying. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.